how to hide any apps on my Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply open settings, press on to home screen, and you get hide apps on home and app screen. Press on and you just select any apps that you wanna hide. Like I'm select my Discord and showing it to hidden apps. Press on done. As you can see, not showing it to my Discord in this section. Okay, and I'm proved how can easily find these hidden apps. Simply open settings again, home screen, press on, just make sure to press on minus option, press on done. Now successfully unhide my Discord, showing it to Discord in this section because now it's unhide. That's it.